Hey guys, welcome to PrePreMed. Today I'm going to take you with me to the anatomy lab for psychology. We're doing a brain dissection, which is super exciting because I love neurology. This is probably, I think, the fourth brain I've dissected. We do a sheep brain. It's probably the fourth one I've done. And I'm wearing my favorite shirt for the occasion. It's a brain. Suits it. So this video is actually for one of my classmates who can't make it into lab today and was really bummed out. So hope you love the video, you know who you are, and I'll see you in lab. Bye guys.
Nobody on your side wanted to do it, so I thought you for sure would. I knew it.
Grab them up close.
I think I have like 8 pair, but it's fine. I'm trying to figure out how to set this up. Yeah, gloves.
I'm holding like.
I don't know if I'm doing this right already. What?
You're just going at it.
You kind of have to. I know it's sad, but it's like a nerve. Like under here, there's a nerve, I think. Is there like a nerve under here?
Well, it does go down in there, but you're all right. You got it good.
It's like harder than you think. You know, you think it's also fragile, but you kind of gotta be I don't want to say aggressive, but you gotta put a little muscle into it.
Well, not that I've ever touched one, but if you see, they are a little more.
There's your dura mater.
That's what I thought, sir.
It's the stuff that keeps your brains together.
Here we go. Angela and the boss at range.
I thought I've done this so many times, but I think I confused this with the heart dissection. I've done a couple of the hearts, but I don't.
Like human hearts? Or
No, oh gosh, no. Just the sheep's. No, you have to wait till like medical school to do human anything, which is probably a good thing. Yeah, okay.
I'm still trying to
If you're identifying parts, make sure you say what they do, because that's what you have to know. As long as
spinal cord, it keeps you sitting right.
Whoa, zoom in! So here we have, the spinal cord is here, and then the optic nerve and the olfactory bulb. Hi, Abby. It just says hi.
I'm throwing up. I'm curious where the parts are.
Okay, so this is the olfactory bulb, and then you go that way, and you have the olfactory tract. So this is like everything. Scent, like nose. Olfactory is like smell, and then optic nerve is. Oh my god, it's really weird looking through the camera at this too. Is like this here. That's all.
Oh my god, you're like petting it.
And then your pons is here. The spinal cord is here. The medulla oblongata is like here. There should be a spine.
Good.
So like, would this be the medulla?
So we're gonna. You want to get this off. You got to get this off.
Okay.
So finish like cutting it down here.
So would it sit like this? Midway cooked spaghetti. That's a weird
Peel this.
Look at that weird space.
And this is
Oh, there we
this
go.
is kind of hard to save, so it's gonna all come off.
Yeah, I didn't see the Dura.
I mean, it's just kind of hard to save this actually.
What? Oh my god.
You have spinal cord this way. Olfactory is here, so that's like your sense, your sense of smell. It's olfactory. Going this way, we have
And then once you
some of the
identify all the
different
parts
nerves,
within
optic nerves, the pons, the medulla, and then the spinal cord. And then that's it. So your frontal lobe, your occipital lobe, cerebellum, spinal cord are all in that type. And we're going to cut the said you want one good cut. Okay, there we go. Hey, that wasn't so bad. So now you have the hemispheres divided. Don't you love the smell of formaldehyde? It's totally in half. So again, our frontal, and then the back. Going that way. Yep. That good? Yep.
it's a relay center, so you
This is the pituitary right here. Cerebellum, pituitary, spinal cord, frontal lobes, optic chiasmas in this area here. So looking at the two hemispheres, one shows better the pituitary, which is here. The pituitary, the little knob. And then this one actually shows the corpus callosum much better. There's the corpus callosum. Right there. So this is your, that's the cerebellum, corpus callosum, cerebrum. Yeah, there's Dura matter on my desk. That's something you say every day.